Number 1. 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Bobber, $8,500, Maryville, Tennessee. The 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Bobber captures the spirit of classic American custom motorcycle culture with its legendary V-twin engine and stripped-down bobber styling. Shovelhead-powered Harleys remain highly sought after for their unmistakable sound, timeless character, and endless customization potential. According to the seller, this tastefully built example features a Springer front end, S&S Super E carburetor, Baker transmission, dual plug heads, performance cam, and kickstart-only operation. For enthusiasts looking for a classic Harley with old-school custom appeal, this Shovelhead is an eye-catching machine. Number 2. 1977 Yamaha XS650D, $3,200, Dahlonega, Georgia. The 1977 Yamaha XS650D is one of Yamaha's most respected parallel twin motorcycles, combining classic styling with dependable Japanese engineering. Its simplicity, strong aftermarket support, and enjoyable performance have made it a longtime favorite among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. The seller reports that this example features a professional paint job along with numerous upgrades, including electronic ignition, upgraded charging system, LED lighting, improved brakes, and a custom seat. With a clear title and nothing reportedly needing immediate attention, this XS650D is ready to enjoy. Number 3. 1976 BMW R90S, $5,000, Canton, Georgia. The 1976 BMW R90S is one of BMW's most iconic motorcycles, celebrated for its air-cooled boxer twin engine, sporty performance, and distinctive factory fairing. Widely considered a landmark model in BMW's history, the R90S continues to be highly desirable among collectors and touring enthusiasts alike. According to the seller, this motorcycle starts, runs, and rides well while retaining its matching R90S bodywork and a clean Georgia title. Described as an honest rider rather than a showpiece, it offers authentic vintage character that's ready to be enjoyed. Number 4. 1974 Honda CB360T, $3,000, Hickory, North Carolina. The 1974 Honda CB360T is a lightweight classic known for its smooth twin-cylinder engine, nimble handling, and dependable reliability. As part of Honda's popular CB lineup, it remains a favorite among riders looking for an approachable and easy-to-maintain vintage motorcycle. The seller describes this restored example as running well after months of work, with rebuilt original carburetors, fresh paint, new fuel system components, updated lighting, and several new controls and accessories. For buyers seeking a stylish classic Honda that's ready for weekend rides, this CB360T presents an excellent value. Number 5. 1977 Myco 400 AW, $5,500, Salisbury, North Carolina. The 1977 Myco 400 AW is a legendary vintage off-road motorcycle, admired for its lightweight design, powerful two-stroke engine, and strong motocross heritage. Original Maico models remain highly collectible thanks to their performance and limited production compared to mainstream Japanese competitors. According to the seller, this motorcycle remains in original condition, runs and rides great, and features brand new tires along with good brakes and clutch. For collectors looking for a rare European vintage dirt bike, this Maico 400 AW is a standout opportunity. Number 6. 1975 Suzuki GT75, $3,600, Wadsworth, Ohio. The 1975 Suzuki GT75 is one of the most iconic Japanese motorcycles of the 1970s, earning the nickname Water Buffalo as Japan's first mass-produced water-cooled motorcycle. Its smooth three-cylinder two-stroke engine, distinctive exhaust note, and innovative engineering have made it a favorite among collectors and vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, this example was completely rebuilt in 2012 before being repaired following a garage fire, with the engine reportedly escaping damage aside from the wiring, which has since been replaced. It also features new tires, a clean title, and has accumulated about 2,000 miles since returning to the road. A large collection of spare GT750 parts is also available, making this a very appealing package for anyone looking to own a rare two-stroke classic. Number 7. 1978 Triumph 750 Bonneville, $3,000, New Wilmington, Pennsylvania. The 1978 Triumph 750 Bonneville remains one of Britain's most celebrated motorcycles, combining timeless styling with the proven performance of Triumph's legendary parallel twin engine. As one of the final classic Bonnevilles before a new era of motorcycle design, it continues to hold a special place among collectors and riders who appreciate traditional British craftsmanship. The seller reports that this matching numbers example retains its original paint, starts and runs great, and comes with a clean Pennsylvania title. New tires, a Motobat battery, and a clean fuel tank further add to its appeal. For enthusiasts looking for an authentic vintage Bonneville that's ready to enjoy, this motorcycle presents an excellent opportunity. Number 8. 1982 Kawasaki 440 LTD, $1,500, Mark, Illinois. The 1982 Kawasaki 440 LTD offered riders a comfortable cruiser-inspired design paired with dependable twin-cylinder performance and easy everyday usability. Known for its simple mechanics and relaxed riding position, the LTD series continues to be a popular choice for enthusiasts seeking an affordable entry into classic Japanese motorcycles. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs in great condition, sounds strong, and performs as it should. The only reported issue is a recently failed speedometer, which the seller is willing to repair before the sale. For buyers searching for a budget-friendly vintage Kawasaki that's ready to ride, this 440 LTD offers excellent value. Number 9. 1982 Harley-Davidson FLH, $7,000, Harrodsburg, Kentucky. The 1982 Harley-Davidson FLH represents the final years of the legendary shovelhead era, a period that remains highly respected among Harley enthusiasts for its unmistakable V-twin sound and classic touring character. These motorcycles continue to attract collectors thanks to their timeless styling and strong connection to Harley-Davidson's heritage. According to the seller, this FLH features fresh paint, a recent oil service, a new front wheel and tire, and is reported to run very well. With its classic appearance and hard-to-find shovelhead platform, this motorcycle offers an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to own a traditional Harley touring machine. Number 10. 1974 Suzuki TS-185, $900, Dexter, Michigan. The 1974 Suzuki TS-185 is a lightweight dual-sport classic that earned a reputation for dependable two-stroke performance, simple maintenance, and impressive versatility on both pavement and trails. Its rugged design and approachable nature continue to make it a favorite among vintage trail bike enthusiasts and collectors alike. According to the seller, this example runs and rides well, starts on the first kick, and benefits from new tires, a serviced oil injection system, a replaced brake cable, and a vintage Bassani exhaust. While it will need fork seals and some cosmetic attention, it comes with a clean title and original mileage, making it an affordable classic with plenty of potential. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.